Hey everyone, if you are saying oops, an error occurred while using Instagram on your Android device, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can cause this error. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off again to refresh your connection. Next, restart the Instagram app and your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Close Instagram completely, restart your device, and try again. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. If the issue happens in a browser, update the browser as well. If the problem continues, try using a different browser or switch to the Instagram app instead of the web version. Some browser extensions or settings may be causing conflicts. Another trick is logging out and logging back in. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Log Out, then sign back to see if the error disappears. If nothing works, Instagram servers might be down. Visit a site like Down Detector to check if others experiencing the same issue. If it's a server problem, you'll have to wait for Instagram to fix it. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you on the next one.